Alright, Tuji, so today our lessons are vocabulary and punctuation. Now we all know what's a full stop, right? We use a full stop at the end of a sentence. We all know the question mark. We use a question mark at the end of a question. When is your birthday? How do you feel today? So today we're going to learn a new we're going to learn something new called the comma. This is the comma, and this is how you write the word. Comma, right? Now there are two ways that we use the comma. We use the comma when we are using a series of nouns. We use the comma to separate the words or groups of words in a sentence. Example, my favorite colors are red, comma, blue, comma, black, and green. So as you can see, and we use before the last noun. All right? We use a comma when we use yes or no. Example, yes, comma, I am 8 years old. No, comma, I don't eat tofu. So let us review the two ways of using a comma. One, we use a comma when we use a series of nouns, meaning more than 2, 3 nouns. We use a comma when we use yes or no. Now, I'll give you this example. At the zoo, I saw monkeys and lions and zebras and birds and crocodiles. Now this sentence is too long and it's not correct, right? So remember, we use the comma instead of and. So let's see where we can place our commas. All right. We look at an example again. At the zoo, I saw monkeys. So we say Baba and we add our comma. Lions, Baba and we add our comma. Zebras, Baba and we add our comma. Birds, and before our last noun, we use the word and. So let's read the sentence correctly now. At the zoo, I saw monkeys, lions, zebras, birds, and crocodiles. All right? So let's turn to our course books on page 72. We use commas when we write a series of nouns. That means when we list things. Like we can say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So we are listing the months of the year. We can say numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are listing the numbers. Red, yellow, blue, green, pink, orange, and pink. We are listing the colors. Right. So let's look at the examples. Rita, Min, Susan, and Rena went to the market. We are listing the students. I like apples, oranges, bananas, grapes, and mangoes. We are listing the fruit. So remember, we use a comma to separate. We use a comma in place of an, right? And before our last noun, we have and, so there's no comma. So let's look at our activity. We study English, math, and science at school. So where do you think we should put the comma? We study English, comma, maths and science at school. In the folder, you'll find pages, attachments for page 70 and pages 30 for suffix, and pages 72 and page 32 for punctuation. Please remember, if you cannot make a copy, you can write on a separate piece of paper, separate A4 page, take a photo, and you can private message me. All right? Thank you. Bye.